President Trump is sounding the alarm, warning that the United States could face a 1929-style Great Depression. He says that if the courts strike down his tariffs, we could see bank closures, widespread famine in America, millions losing their jobs, a stock market crash, and everyday Americans financially collapsing. So why would he make such a bold prediction? It's because President Trump has placed tariffs on every country in the world, bringing billions of dollars into the U.S. Treasury. On one hand, he says these tariffs have helped the economy and fueled a stock market rally. On the other hand, it's no secret that Americans are paying higher prices at the store because of them. Trump recently warned the courts, if a radical left court ruled against us now, trying to disrupt the largest wealth creation the U.S. has ever seen, it would be impossible to recover. It would be 1929 all over again, a Great Depression. To understand why he made this comparison, you need to know what happened back then. The roaring 1920s were a time of massive economic growth. Credit was easy to get, businesses were booming, and the stock market was surging. But a lot of that growth was fueled by margin trading, investors borrowing money to buy stocks. Then came Black Tuesday, October 29, 1929. The stock market collapsed. Investors lost 20% or more in days. Many stocks fell 10% in a single session. It triggered a decade-long economic disaster. Trump's concern is that today's market has similar risks. People are pouring money into overpriced stocks, some even selling their homes to invest, and many are buying on margin. Let's take an example. The average P/E ratio, price to earnings, for a tech stock is about 20 to 25. But Palantir currently has a P/E ratio of 621, wildly above average. In 2024, the company made $2.9 billion but now has a market cap of $443 billion. That's a huge valuation gap. I like Palantir as a company. I bought shares back in 2023 when they were around $20 to $22. But is the current price justified? Probably not. It's not just Palantir. Stocks like Nvidia, AMD, and HIMS are also seeing massive price swings. Earnings reports can send them soaring or tanking overnight. For example, HIMS dropped from $63 to $51 right after earnings. Trump's fear is that if his tariffs are overturned, the U.S. loses a major source of revenue it's relying on right now. That money is being spent, so where would we get it back? Could it trigger a modern Black Tuesday? Possibly. I don't think we'll see a 25% drop in just a few days like in 1929, but some overvalued companies could see massive declines. If that happens, cash could lose value and people might turn to gold, which is why there's talk about tariffs on gold bars as well. Bottom line. Many say the economy is fine, but there's more risk under the surface than most realize. Banks, hedge funds, and major companies are de-risking right now, laying off employees, consolidating jobs, and cutting costs. Stay alert. I'll keep tracking this story and bring you updates as soon as they come in.